Hi guys, today at C++.co we are going to study a new topic that is called loop, and we are going to study a while loop in this tutorial. In programming, most of the times we need to repeat the execution of a simple statement more than one time. We can achieve that using loops. For example, there is a list of 100 contacts and you want to search a particular contact. For that you need to browse through a whole list. To make this task easy, we can do this via loops in programming. For example, let's take a look at while loop. While loop basically executes until a provided condition is true. This is the syntax of while loop. While condition is true, executes these statements within these brackets. As I told in when we were studying if statements, that these brackets are only required when there are more than one statements. For example, there is only one statement to be executed, then you don't need these brackets. So these brackets are required only when there are more than one conditions. Let's take a simple example that while n is equal to 0, continue taking the input for n, enter value for n or c in n. Now if user keep entering the value of n equals to 0, this loop will continue to iterate. Now if the value entered is other than 0, then this loop execution will terminate. Now let's take a try and see how it goes. Now I enter 0, so it keep asking me for value, but if I enter other than 0, it says loop execution is terminated. After the loop is terminated, the next statements in the programs are executed. Now let's take another example. Now we want to print out numbers until n is equal to 10. So we can say that while n is less than equal to 10, you can see out value of n. The pendle here n makes, and you can add two operators here. Now until the value of n is less than or equal to 10, this while loops will continue to execute, and it will print numbers from 0. We have initialized n is equal to 0 after this loop because we don't know what will be the value of n after this loop. This depend on the user. So let's see. Enter the value of n is equal to 5. So as you can see that we have initialized the value of n to 0. It printed out from 0 to 10. After that the loop execution terminated statement is met. So this is while loop, and we will discuss for loops and do while loop in our next tutorials.